Okay, I'm going to be planting more microgreens. I'm not sure if I'm going to do garden system and the humama or just one. I know I want to have just broccoli now instead of kale. So I washed this out after using it for the kale. Cleans up really easily. So here's the broccoli. Now I think it comes with its own pad. Alright. And this is the one I cut when I was testing the first time. So I'll just put the whole pad though, because that's what they say to do. I'm doing it right this time. And here we go. It's very simple. Oh. I need a better camera. Right up to the fill line. Right. It says you just push it down for like 10 seconds. Let it soak. And then I'll be using the light I have on this video for my grow light. A little bit more, because that absorbed. Alright, that should be good. Alright, we'll leave it. Within about 7 days, this should be popping out. So now I'll just be able to tell the difference between the kale and the broccoli. Because I think I lost track last time. And I love the humama so much because you get more out of the pad. I mean, with the garden system, even the pods, even if I use them all, I'd get a fraction of what I get with the humama. So, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna do a couple of arugula. I love arugula. Maybe 3. Okay. Where are the packets? Alright. Radish, cabbage, arugula. I hope I have enough left. Yep, I do. 1, 2, 3. And the whips. And it's easier when they're wet. So, yeah, I think I need more water. Alright, here goes. It's getting warm soon. It's like 60 degrees right now, so I'll be able to do some lettuce soon. And these you don't even need to wet. The wick is supposed to do the job. Of course, you put the white side up. Okay. And these will be sprouting in about 3 days. I only have 2 left of the arugula. And that's that. Just Let me get these under the grow light. And recipes will be coming.